Morning, this is Ross with ProTech Epoxy Floors in Port Richey, Florida. Today we're at Foxwoods in Trinity. And we're going to start got a couple unique things going on here in this garage. First we have to remove this coating, which we'll probably find some repairs to do. So we're going to fill this very chunky expansion joint. We're going to sand and fill that. We're going to clean this all up and prepare it for baseboards. So we're going to smooth this all out and get that coating off. So this garage is a little bit deceptive the way it's laid out. It kind of goes on and on. So to step up, we're going to repair. Put a nice round over on there. We're going to fill in this with a cove. This is a continuation of our expansion joint. This is going to have the same treatment as the previous baseboards. Top and sides. Along the interior of the house here with these baseboards, we're going to leave alone. That was all discussed with the customer ahead of time for aesthetics. It's probably the best way to go. So we're all set up. We have PCDs on a grinder, which is just going to allow us to remove this coating. So today's the big day, it's the prep day. Let's get started. Okay, so we have our coating off. Just want to pop in before we actually do the final diamond grinding. So we grind with PCDs, and that's to remove the old paint, the old coatings. As you can see, we cleaned up all these edges, cleaned up the baseboards, remove that coating. And now we're back down to bare concrete, which we're going to grind. Nice and clean. So removing the coating is the first step. So we're going to do a grind again. It's really got a good profile. So these are the PCD tools. They move on along and they scrape. Then they have a trailing diamond. And now we're switching over to just regular grinding diamonds with the profile on the floor. Okay, we have our final grind done. All the patches made and ground back. We have our lead edge. All round edge. Filled up those chunky expansion joints. A bunch of other cracks. Clean up all these areas. So here's the cove we put in. The cove which is going to lead up to the raised platform here. All taped up, ready to do the edges. Coating this 2.5 car garage. This is full chip with baseboards, aliphatic urethane. This is where we fix those very large expansion joints, give a nice seamless surface. This is where we put in the cove, which tied the sidewalk back down into the deck of the garage floor itself. We put a cove in there, fixed the crack, and made it so it has a nice round over to it. This garage is a little unique in the way it's laid out. This color is Dolphin. Looks great. Thanks for watching.